Hi and hello to all of you. Today we have come forward you to let you know about an excellent international research internship for all of you. In this video, we will explain you the entire steps required to apply for this awesome internship, and the internship is for Canada. So let's carry on. First of all, we have to search in Google. What we have to search? MIT ACS. This keyword we have to search, that is MITAX. When we will search this MIT ACS in Google, we will get in this form. In the search engine of Google, we have to go to the first website, this one, mitacs.ca. CA is for Canada. If anyone wants to know about MITAX, what is this in short, we can read it here. Let me read it for you. MITAX is a non-profit national research organization that is in partnership with Canadian academia, private industry, and government, operates research and training programs in fields related to industrial and social innovation. Let us come back. More informations people can read at Wikipedia as well as in the main website. इस वीडियो को मैं हिंदी में भी बता दूं क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आएंगी. ये क्या है? कनाडा के लिए बहुत अच्छा इंटरनेशनल रिसर्च इंटर्नशिप है. Coming back, we will come into this website like this. We can read it from here. First of all, let us know the deadlines, which is most important. इसका deadline 12 September 2021, 1 PM Pacific time, PT. It is not Indian time. Please check in Google what is the last time, and please try to apply before the deadline, because at the end time the server can be busy and people won't be able to apply for it. Okay, so let us read it about this. What is MITAX and what is this Global Link Research Internship about? See, the call for the student applications for the summer of 2022 is now open. Fine. MITAX Global Link Research Internship is a competitive initiative for international undergraduates from the following countries and regions. I'm not naming all of them, but we can see here our India is here. It is supporting all the countries: Australia, Brazil, China, Colombia, France, most of the countries, UK and all. Okay, then we are not going to read all of them. You people are requested to read each and everything before applying, else the video length will be very longer, which we don't want. Our main aim is to help the people, to let people know about this opportunity and apply as soon as possible. Okay, this is about this Global Link Research Internship. For the faculties who will be applying, for them it is, I'm not going ahead and explaining this. I'm directly coming to the student application, how the students will apply for this. Okay, see, before going to the student application, I will let you know about this Global Link Canada organization, which has partnerships with what organizations. So we are clicking here, Global Link Research Internship International Partners, and we will come to know. See, Global Link Research Internship International Partners. These are the partners. MITAX is pleased to work with the following international partners to support the Global Link Research Internship program. I will post the link below, and everyone is requested to open the links and check it out. See, for India, it is associated, and it is, let me see it, SICI, yeah, this one, and AICT, All India Council for Technical Education. It is working with these two partners in India, SICI and AICTE. All of you might be knowing about All India Council for Technical Education, right? So let us go back and let us know how to apply for it. Fine. अभी हम लोग देखेंगे कैसे अप्लाई करना होगा. मेन प्रोसेस आप लोगों को बताएंगे और दोनों लैंग्वेज में बताएंगे. इन शॉर्ट, वी विल क्लिक द स्टूडेंट एप्लीकेशन. Okay, so the deadlines already I said you, it is on 22nd September, 1 PM Pacific time, not Indian time. Let us read it. See what it is offering. Canada features excellent universities, outstanding research facilities, cutting-edge industry innovation, and unparalleled undergraduate training opportunities. Now, the thing is, what this research internship is going to offer you. Every people will be interested to know कि ये internship आप लोगों को क्या देगा. First of all, everybody should know being in Canada for 12 weeks is really awesome thing. It will be a great international exposure to add to your CV, and you will get hand-on experience. Let us read it for you what they have written here. A 12-week internship that increases your knowledge of and explores hand-on research in your field of study, in whatever you will be getting to study there. Everybody will be getting different things under different professors in different research. The second point is work under the supervision of outstanding faculty members with graduate students and research associates. It will be at Canada. Then access to Canada's unique research landscape in the field of applied, dynamic, and innovative. Then a rewarding experience combining academic research at a Canadian university, professional skills development courses, as well as social activities. The next point is a chance for you to explore your independence and gain international experience in a new country. That is what I had mentioned in the first point. बाहर के कंट्री में जाके 12 वीक इंटर्नशिप करने का मौका मिलेगा, एंड एवरीथिंग इज फ्री एंड फंडेड बाय दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. यू हैव नॉट टू स्पेंड ए पेनी. पूरा मैं बताऊंगा बाद में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है इसमें. फ्लाइट के टिकट से लेके यू विल ऑल्सो बी गेटिंग $300 एज अ स्टाइपेंड. वी विल कम बैक टू दैट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट इन द लेटर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वीडियो के बाद में, एंड में मैं बता दूंगा सब कुछ. The opportunity to connect with potential graduate supervisors should you be interested in returning to Canada for the graduate studies with a MITAX Global Link fellowship. हाँ, इसको चेक करके देख सकते हैं whosoever is interested. Now the thing is, where do I start? MITAX encourages you to start working on the following items before the call opens. Okay, let me explain it for you. First of all, I also need to read because I'm checking it right now. Obtain a reference letter from the professor. Update your CV. Okay, eligibility conditions are there. Okay, let me read it for you in short. I already said you what this Global Ring Research Internship will offer you. A 12-week internship, etc. Now, what you all have to do in short, I am telling. First of all, there will be some eligibility criteria. You have to read it, which I will read it for you and explain it for you. There may be specific eligibility criteria for each country and international partner organization. Everything is mentioned in this website, and I will also explain in short all for you. The second condition is you should have a passport, and it should be valid till at least 2023 of January. Okay? Then you should have to have a reference letter from your professor. Okay? Then CV should be updated, and this MITCS, this organization has a special template. In that form you have to do it. I am sharing you what is their form, how it looks like. See, this is the internship template. This will look like this. Date, name of the family, some whatever is written, you have to mention like this and then submit. Okay? Let us come back to the previous slide. We can also click on this, download the reference letter instructions. All the instructions will be given here after clicking. I'm not going to read each and every word. It is your responsibility to read it and apply it in a better way. One thing I am seeing, everybody should be fluent in English or French. So for Indians, English is one of the best language. Each letterhead must, what requirements will be here? Former or current supervisors who are providing letter of recommendations. Yes, your supervisors or your professors should be able to give you a letter of recommendation on behalf of you. Also, you have to provide the transcript, which I will explain in the latter part of the video. Transcript, what is a transcript? It is generally, for example, these internships are for the people for whom like one year और 1.5 year इज रिमेनिंग, मतलब कि 1 सेमेस्टर 2 सेमेस्टर या 3 सेमेस्टर बाकी होंगे, तो तब तक का जो मार्क्स होता है ना, उसका प्रूफ, ऑफिशियल प्रूफ फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटी, that is known as the transcript. We will be explaining this in the latter part of the video. So how to apply? We have to click on the student application. We have to click here, apply here. Have I read all the things for you? Template has been read. In the application you will be also asked about, see it is written here, transcript must be included. What I said you, what is the meaning of transcripts in English or in French? It should be in English for you. Proficiency language and tests may be required for some countries, fine. In the application you will also be asked about your academic discipline, means branch, कौन सा branch है आप लोगों का, program, and other educational information. I had already showed you the application. You can also see it by clicking the required link. I will provide all the links in the description for you. Your research interest, skills and achievement, your research for pursuing research in Canada. The reason कि आप क्यों कनाडा जाना चाहते हैं इस रिसर्च के लिए, इस इंटर्नशिप के लिए. Now this is the thing, eligibility requirements for 2022 for this internship. You should be at least 18 years of age at the time of application, be enrolled in a full-time UG or combined UG master's program at an eligible institution. The lists are mentioned, you can see in the website. Have 1 to 3 semesters remaining. मैंने पहले ही बताया था 1 से 3 सेमेस्टर बाकी होना चाहिए आप लोग के प्रोग्राम फिनिश होने तक, till your end. Meet the grade requirements as per as country guidelines, जिसको कि CGPA, GPA जो भी बोलिए आप, परसेंटेज, वो परसेंटेज रिक्वायरमेंट्स भी एंड ऑफ द वीडियो में मैं बता दूंगा. Apply to a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 7 projects and ensure selections are from at least 3 different Canadian provinces. Be fluent in the oral and written language of the project, English or French. Be available to complete an internship lasting 12 consecutive weeks. हाँ, between May 1 and October 31. मतलब your internship will be starting from May 1 to October 31, 2022. इस टाइम आप लोगों को वहाँ रहना पड़ेगा कनाडा में. अभी अप्लाई करना है, उस टाइम जाना है. Now what is this? The next thing, Global Link research internships are open to students at universities in the following partner countries and regions. Okay, let us see about India. See, as I said you, the partner before, AICTE and SICI. Now the eligibility conditions. For AICTE approved colleges, only engineering people are applied as I see here, and for SICI, everything. Now the percentage required, it is not percentage, it is actually CGP. For AICTE, 80% minimum is required. For SICI, 70% is required. Only this much is written here. Let us go to the exact process how to apply. We have to click here. See, after clicking here, welcome to the Global Link Research Internship 2022 student application form. We have to use only these 3 of the browsers as it is written here: Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Safari or Safari. The application deadline, as you know. Now to be eligible, it is already mentioned before, to be eligible to participate you must satisfy the following requirements. Countries का नाम you already know. Be enrolled in a full-time UG or combined UG master's program, already said. 1 से 3 सेमेस्टर बाकी होना चाहिए. 1 to 3 semesters should be remaining in your degree. And in other words, if you are successful in receiving an internship, you will need to complete at least 1 more semester of UG or joint UG master coursework and have no more than 3 semesters remaining. Okay, be available to complete a 12 consecutive week internship. Fine. Start date must be between May 1st and July 31st. Already this content is getting repeated. They have already explained in the home page. And these are the percentage requirements, cumulative grade points or whatever they call it. You people check it. For India, it is 75 to 80, something like that for the different boards as you have seen. AICTE or CISE, whatever. Provide what we have to provide. We have also to provide official transcript from your home universities that I said before. And now what is transcript? They have written. Let me read it for you. A transcript is a detailed record of your marks or grades that have been generated by your current or former university. मतलब अब तक का जो थर्ड ईयर में है या कुछ सेमेस्टर बाकी है तब तक का मार्क्स ऑफिशियली जो आपका यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेज देंगे उसको ट्रांसक्रिप्ट बोलते हैं. देखो इसमें लिखा हुआ है यूजुअली दिस विल बी एन ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट आइदर ऑन ए पेपर और ऑनलाइन with list of modules, paper or courses you have completed. Just in short, please note that if your transcript is not in English, you must provide a translated version in English. मतलब इंग्लिश में ही होना चाहिए. Be fluent in English or whatever. Possess the passport जो कि जिसका की वैलिडिटी जो है जनवरी 2023 तक होना ही होना चाहिए, जो कि होगा ही सबका. CV देना पड़ेगा in Mitax template that I had already said you. फिर लेटर ऑफ रेफरेंस जिसको लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन भी बोलते हैं फ्रॉम वन ऑफ योर एकेडमिक रिसर्च और सुपरवाइजर और मे बी HOD एनीथिंग. गाइडलाइंस यहाँ पे क्लिक करके यू पीपल कैन रीड इट. एग्री टू द कंडीशंस. 18 ईयर्स एज होना चाहिए. सब इट इज रिपीटेड. टाइम वही है 22 सितंबर 1 PM. ओके फाइन. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग? लेट्स सी when you will click there register, when you will click the register, you will get this type of format. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click here register. You will put your first name, last name, email, password, and this password should be long as it is written. It should have 8 characters and at least one uppercase and one lower case. मतलब एक बड़े capital letter एक छोटा letter भी होना चाहिए small letter and one number. Both passwords should be same and you have to click on submit. After submitting, what you will see that you will get an email and a notification. Please check your email, and in the email there will be one link. You have to click that link to verify. After verification, when you will come back to this website and log in, you will see something like this. See, welcome projects and application. Okay, then you will get one application ID also, and here it will be written application status incomplete because you have not filled all these informations. Once you fill all this information, personal information, educational background, अपना नाम, so when you will fill everything, then it will show complete and your form is complete. Application status will be complete, and then you have to wait for them to call you or accept your application, approve it, and then call you based on your profile. Let's see the next slide. What is this? Mitax Global Research Internship CV template. I think CV form. I think already I have explained about it. Yeah, we have already explained about it. So coming to our home page, already I have explained each and everything. Frequently asked questions. I am not going to read each and every one. The video is getting longer and longer. You can check it out yourself. I will post the link in the description. And I will request all of you to apply to this as soon as possible. It is really an awesome experience for whom they will get selected. And don't delay and wait for the deadline timings. Already all of you have seen in the IITM website also, at the end, whenever people are submitting assignments, they are getting some issues and errors. So for the IITM assignments, I will request all of you to submit it at least before 2 hours from the deadline to avoid any issues. Thank you.